Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how greatest and least functions effectively replaces case statements in SQL Server. So first we will see how these functions will work. Okay, so these two functions, greatest and least functions, were introduced in 2022 Microsoft SQL Server version. Okay, so as its name implies, the greatest function will extract great value among the list of the arguments. Suppose here I am taking greatest. Okay, so I am providing the values. Suppose 14, 74, and 3. So I am providing these three values. I am applying the greatest function. Okay, so we know there is 74 is the greatest value. You will get the 74. Suppose if I change this as least, obviously you will get 3. Okay, so by this way it will work. Suppose if you apply this greatest function on string values, suppose here I am taking SQL, Java and Python. So I am giving three values. I am applying least function. So how this least function will work now? So alphabetically it will take. Now among these three, starting letter of these three courses is J is first. Alphabetically J comes first, ascending order, followed by P and S. Okay. Now I am copying the same logic. Now I am applying greatest function. Okay, greatest among these two. Now you will get SQL as the greatest because alphabetically S is the greatest in alphabetical order. So J is the greatest among these three arguments. Now you can see Java and SQL. So by this way, this greatest and least functions will work. Now I will show my table, student table. So here we have 6 students are there, student ID, student name, and 3 different subjects. So including null values in some of the null values for some students. Now here I want to find out greatest of all greatest marks among of all subjects for each student. Okay, so here I am writing select star comma greatest. Okay, so I am taking the subjects as expressions. English as first subject, maths and science as highest score. Okay, now I am applying least function. Least of these three subjects, English as least score. Okay, from my table name student. If you execute this query, so for first student, even though the person is absent for maths, so it will calculate the greatest value for remaining two subjects and give highest score. Okay, for second student, so he appear for all subjects, so it took 89 as the highest score among three subjects. So like this it will take. So by this way, it cannot, both greatest and least functions cannot consider both the null values. Okay, now you can see least score. So this is the highest score, this is the least score. So for second student, you can see 89 is the highest score in the maths. So 47 is the least score in the science. You will get 89 and 47. Okay. So now our question is how it is replace case statements effectively. Okay. For the same output, I want to write a case statement. For the same output, I want to write a case statement. So I am writing in separate window. Case when. So what is the first subject? English. Case when English greater than or equal to maths and English greater than or equal to science, then I want to print the result as English. If English is more than science and maths, then I want to highest marks is English. Now I am writing second case statement and third as well because we have three subjects. Now this time I want to take maths. Maths is greater than or equal to English and maths is greater than or equal to science, then the result is maths. Okay. Next, last one, science. If science is greater than or equal to maths, if science is greater than or equal to English, then output is science. Okay. Finally, and okay, as highest score from the student. Okay. Now I am executing this query. So you will get, just compare the result of the highest score with the greatest function and case statement. So in the first student, so he is absent for a math subject. So in the case statement, it will consider the null. That means when any value, any column value is null, case statement will return null. Okay, but in compared to greatest function, it doesn't bother about the null value. It compares the greatest value among the remaining arguments. So even though the student is absent for maths, but this function will compare the greatest value among English and science and will return value, greatest value. But in case of case statement, whenever there is a null value in any of the column, it will return null value. It won't consider the remaining values. So by this way, so greatest function and least function should always better than case statements. Okay. So these two functions are introduced in 2024 SQL version. So which is effectively replaces case expressions and case statements. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.